This is Jimmy in his drive cam. Checking. I got one task finished. Now I have to get at least orange juice and milk. I may get more stuff. So I'm thinking about dinner, so I don't really know. I think what we do have and what we do not have. So anyway, see, the roads are not too bad. Eyes on the road, Jimmy. Just joking. It's my camera. I'm turning it around. So I'm gonna check off here. How about this vehicle in front of us? I don't think they don't need a tag, I guess, you know. No tag. Just figured I'd throw that in there. There's Jimmy back with his drive cam. I just saw somebody stuck trying to get out of the yard, but I couldn't get the camera going in time. So I got my stuff done. Milk, orange juice, frozen pizza just in case. Stuff for the kids for lunch, meat, coleslaw. I'm hungry now, but I have to try to get my driveway cleared. I might take a video of me trying to get up it, if I'm going to try, as long as there's not a big mountain there in front of it. But we'll see. We'll see how this little Subaru does. But this is our roads right here. This is Jim. Thanks for watching. Over and out. Bye. Well, I figured I had to come back because here's the road right here. Full of snow. Going up the hill back there. Look at her driveway. Yeah, they cleared it a little. And so, if you don't have good tires driving in this stuff, you're not going to get around too well. If you can get around at all. And so, makes a big difference. Let's see, and folks. Nope. So, this is what we got here. Just wanted to, as soon as I shut the camera off, it'll get worse looking, and I want you guys to see it. But let's just see. Take a look over here. And once again, this is Jimmy reporting from the snowbound cam, the snow cam here. Nothing special here, so goodbye. Thanks for watching, folks. Okay, I thought it'd be it was just snow-covered road back there, but now it's not really. So okay, this is Jimmy back with the snow cam. This is my vehicle. I'm going to try to go up that driveway. We'll see. I came down it. You know, we have a little snowbank that they have here. So, dun 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 dun. Oops, what did I hit here? I heck with it. Whatever I hit, let's go. Ready, folks? Dun dun dun. Let me back up. I think I want a little running start. Get to the initial snowbank down there. Here we go. heavy wet snow here. Well, I'm going to try it again. You ready, folks? Hey. Luke, get off to the side, buddy. Just stay off to the side. In case I come up there sideways. Alright, I made it. Folks, I made it. I guess you can see me, hopefully. Goodbye. This is what I went up.
Daddy, it's hard for you to get up.
I know, I got up though. I think I just plowed the snow to start with and had a little, like, embankment in front of me. So, huh?
Are you scared?
No. Hey, you want to come over here and say hi to folks? Did it look like I was scared? Do I get scared when I'm driving, Luke?
How's you feel?
Do I get scared when I'm driving?